Facing a lot of issues with my self confidence, self esteem, and I'm not able to express myself freely. I'm a little bit hesitant. At that time, English Time came to my rescue. They helped me to know what are my strengths, my weaknesses, and what are the challenging areas that I need to work on, and allotted a specific tutor for that purpose. Shekhar sir has helped me to know myself better, to know about my personality, and what are the key areas that I need to work on. And I started working on those areas, and I think I've improved a lot after that. Anita ma'am and Arindam sir in English Time has inspired me, motivated me that you are a good communicator. You just need to believe in yourself and have the required confidence. I think that is the best guiding tool that anyone could ever get. English Time has helped me not only to become fluent in English and to become better at communication, but also helped me to groom my personality overall and have shifted totally my mindset towards life, towards career, and towards myself, which has given me an edge in my career and helped me to grow in life. I think the journey with English Time has been the most beautiful journey of my life, and I do recommend everyone to join it and see the magical change you have after that by yourself. Thank you so much, English Times, for changing my life.
True, if you have challenge in grammar, don't have clarity, if you really face trouble when you communicate with others, specifically when you speak with your seniors. So yes, these things also happens with my student is Swati. She also had the similar kind of the issue what generally people have. So I just want to tell you that how that she overcome all the issues of her, and today that she is a great kind of speaker and she's so confident. Well, let's watch her transformation journey, then you can understand how she develops all these things and today how she speaks.
Uh, I want to describe it. He said that first of all, there was a bird person who wants to kill the bird. So he said to the person that if I will give you three jewels if you just let me go out of here and let it go. That begin your day with gratitude. Whenever we woke up in the morning, we always focus on like technology. You need to have a positive you need to have a positive vision in your life because tendency of the mind is to look at the negative side. Every morning came with some challenges, but in the evening it gives you the wisdom and the experience. Just get frustrated. Yesterday was Sunday, and it was a beautiful Sunday, and I thought that maybe today I'm going to spend the day with my family. So I woke up in the morning, and first of all, whenever I woke up in the morning, I do some exercise and stretching and some meditation, and after that, when I feel energetic after doing the exercise, to feel energized, and then energized, and then I plan that I'm going to spend the day with my family only. And in the morning we all ate breakfast together. We thought that let's go buy some stuff from outside, and we went to buy vegetables and some of the daily stuffs that we need.
I got my joining letter from National Insurance Company in the year 2018 and felt very fortunate to be selected in this job. I went to my regional office in Delhi and completed all the formalities that was required to be done before joining the company. I found two of my batchmates who were also there to complete all the procedures. We all three became good friends. After that, my regional office allotted specific operating offices to us. I was not very happy as they deputed me to the office that was very far away from my home, and that was not the case with my other two batchmates. So, on the very first day, I had mixed emotions because the things went unexpectedly for me. I felt happy because I got the opportunity to work with such a reputed government organization.